Oh boy, look at the dip. This is crazy. Look at how Baby Doge Coin has dropped after this bad boy hits 1 billion US dollars. Those of you who miss out on that huge move to the upside, I believe you are waiting for the right opportunity to get some of this bad boy because this bad boy is here to stay, regardless what tax or what tariff laws or regulation the US government is going to pass on China, Canada, Asia, or whatsoever country they're going to do their tariff stuff. Baby Dogecoin will survive. Now, the market is down. Everything is down. Trust me. Now is the right time to start looking at what to buy. But now the question is, do you actually know when to buy it or how to go about or what you need to see before you buy it? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do on today's video. We're going to look at Baby Dogecoin deep dive to see where we can start looking at buying opportunities again to take the move to the upside. Those of you who have been waiting for this moment, stay tuned. Watch this video to the end. You won't regret because what you're going to learn today will be outstanding. So make sure you do just that. By the way, if you are new on my platform and you haven't yet subscribed and you're wondering, who is this guy? What do you talk about on this platform? Why should I subscribe to your platform? Of course, you should because I am that guy to help you understand market structure, support and resistance, when to buy, when to take out profit, and when to stay away from the market. The goal here is to make more Bitcoin, trade altcoins, make more Bitcoin. Before, I focused solely on swing trading. Right now, I'm doing short-term trading, and most of my trades are on spot. So if say you want to trade most of the coins I do trade on my platform, then make sure you do that through Bitunix, Bybit, or you can trade it on Bluffing. All the links are found below this video. And if say you want to get my buy and sell signal alert, you want to know what I'm buying, when I'm buying it, and when I take out profit, then go below this video. I'm gonna find a link to connect with me. Having said all this good stuff, let's dive into the videos for today. Now, guys, this is Baby Dogecoin. Of course, I know you all know this is the baby, right? And this chart is something I have been talking about. You know, in the past, I mentioned that it went up, it came down, it went up, it came down, it went up, it went up, it came down, it went up again, it came down. And I was saying to you guys earlier that I don't want the price to cross, to close below this range, this zone here. I don't want price to close below this zone. If prices do close around this area, then it's not good for Baby Dogecoin. Why did I say so? I say so because if price close here, if this weekly candle close here, then there's high chances that we can come right back down here. We are almost there. We are almost half towards this area where like half this zone. We get the half, we get there half, look at it. So if say this weekly candle is not able to give us some bullish comeback or buyback, then it's not gonna be good for Baby Dogecoin, trust me. But today's video is to help you understand what you need to see on the chart, to help you understand whether they want to reverse the market or take it back to the downside. Now, before we even continue, I want us to establish one fact that as long as price stays around this zone, the target is down here, is this range down here. This is the target. So if say we see something happen with Bitcoin, let's say Bitcoin is to go right down to 90K or 75K or 88K, which is possible. I talked about this in my video yesterday. So if say you didn't watch my Bitcoin video yesterday, go and watch it. I mentioned there, when you need to start looking at possibilities to buy altcoins. So now this is where we are with Baby Dogecoin, which is crucial, because we have to understand what the market is doing to help us know what might happen in the future. So this is what has happened in the past. Price has bounced from a zone that price bounced in the past or price rejected in the past. And I can say to you guys that this zone is here. This is a zone. And let me just mark this little area here. So this was a zone that price rejected, that downward move. We saw that rejection here. So we can still come a little bit down here, right? They can still bring price a little bit down, you know, I don't know, but this is what could happen. It could bring price down here a little bit, then move sideways before they take it to the upside. But it won't happen instantly. It will take some time to happen. And those of you who are just buying this bad boy blindly, my advice to you is to wait a little bit to see how price is gonna play out. Don't just rush to buy. Wait to see what price will do, and this is what you want to see with price. So this is what price should do. If say we are to reverse from where we are, let's just say this zone should be the support zone during this downward trend. Because we can see we have been downward constantly for how many weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. 8 weeks now we have been going down, down, down. So there should be a point in time that we see at least price recover. And if we look at this same behavior in the past, you can see clearly same behavior occurred in the past or to happen in the past. Look at what price did here. Price pumped to the upside, and before we realize it, price moved downward. You see, yeah, it moved downward. It went up here. It moved downward. Up here, moved downward. Like price just came down straight. Here straight, here straight. So the same behavior is repeating itself at this point in time. Now let's dive to the daily time frame for us to see the kind of behavior we need to see before we start looking at a buy opportunity. I want us to look at something here. Now, let me just zoom this and so you can see what I'm trying to say here. So, looking at this price action now, we have experienced first rejection here. So, I want this week to reject here multiple times. So I want to see price do something like this: come down, reject, go up, come down, reject, go up, come down, go up, come down, go up. It must not do this multiple times like forever. But if I see price keep doing this, doing something like this with low volume, then I know they want to take price back to the upside. Okay, but if this is not the like the bottom of this of this downward movement, then I think they might go a little bit downward, yeah, then do the same thing, move sideways, like what happened here in the past. You can see in the past, after price left this upside, it came right down here. You see price came here, it went up, play sideways a little bit before we saw the next move to the upside. The same thing here. Price came down here, moved a little bit. We saw how the volume reduced before price made the next move to the upside. So this is what we want to see here on this chart. Don't just buy because you love this coin so much. Of course, you can. If say you are an investor, you can DCA, yeah, no doubt, no problem with that. But if say you are someone who is swing trading this short term, then I will not recommend you buying Baby Doge coin instantly, like immediately. Even when you see price do something like this, if price goes up, yeah, don't buy it. You need to wait for price to retrace back, and if you see price reject, keep moving sideways a little bit, then you want to buy now and take it to the upside. The safest zone to buy Baby Doge coin is this area. You want to see Baby Doge coin do something like this: move up, yeah, something like this, then come here, hold this zone, then you take the ride to the upside. So this is how you should look at the chart before you buy. Like this is what you want to see happening on the chart before you rush to buy this bad boy. And I know it must be tempting to most of you. Like if you look at the 1 hour time frame, you see how price is doing stuff as if price is doing something, but price is not doing anything. It's just moving sideways. You have to look at the bigger picture on the daily time frame to see what is going on that time frame. With that, you have more perspective on what price is doing, and you'll be able to catch price before it pump to the upside. Like for example, see what happened here. Price break this structure here. What happened? Price came back. It came back here, double bottom here, and then it made the next move to the upside. It came back still here, and we test this zone. It pumped a little bit and formed this zone again, this W formation. This was an amazing formation here. If you would have cut all of this W, you would have taken a nice trade here. Another one was here. It came down here and went up. So this was another W. And all of this would have given you awesome gains. Trust me. But now, if we are to see the next move to the upside? Where should be our closest zone to cash out profit? Okay, because I want you to understand I'm not that guy to tell you buy, buy, buy without showing you where you can cash out profit. Now, the first zone you're going to cash out profit, if say we see some sort of let's say bounce from here, it's going to be around this 500 million cap. So if you see Baby Doge Coin at around 500 million market cap, cash out your first profit. And if say that's the case, let's see how many percent we're gonna make from where we are right now. Not gonna make, that's gonna be around 1x. So we can make 1x profit if say we see a quick reversal from this point from this at this point in time, or from this zone. If we see Baby Dogecoin reverse from this zone, then the target should be this zone here, and that's gonna be cool profit for you. And if say price target this upside, then let's see how many percent you can make from where we are right now. Let's say from there to that upside, it's gonna be around 2.5x, or let me say give or take 2.6x. That's gonna be a cool profit for you. But again, I want you guys to understand that what has happened in the market doesn't change anything about this coin. The fundamental is still good. The team still building. This dip affected every market. Like every coin took a huge dip. The ones to survive are the ones that have good community, and I believe that Baby Doge Coin will survive because Baby Doge Coin have a good community. So if say you're sitting there wondering whether you should buy right now, I would say to you, don't buy right now. Wait a little bit for price to play out well. Then when price move sideways, attempt to go up, come down, go up, come down, then you're gonna confirm from that movement that okay, maybe this is the bottom, and from there price is gonna reverse. Or if say price is not able to form the bottom here, then you can still take price right down to this area here, this zone here. So pay attention to it. Don't just go rush immediately and buy. Wait for that signal before you buy. If the content was helpful to you and you want me to keep creating more of such content, you know what to do. Go right now and subscribe, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Don't forget to join my VIP group. If say you want to get my buy and sell signal, and also you can join my free Telegram group. The links are found below this video. And you can trade with me on Bybit, Bitrunix, and Bluefin. All the links are found below this video. Go right now and connect with me. Until then, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.